Hello dear students. Kirti Sir, ଏବେ ଯିବା ଆମେ ସେଟ୍ आर्ट्स ग्रुप रो इंग्लिश ऑप्शनल का स्टार्ट करियो 56 नंबर रो मान करिवे ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 56 ऑप्शन डी 57 ऑप्शन ए 58 ऑप्शन डी 59 ऑप्शन डी 60 ऑप्शन सी 61 ऑप्शन ए 62 ऑप्शन बी 63 ऑप्शन सी 64 ऑप्शन डी नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट में 65 ऑप्शन बी 66 ऑप्शन डी 67 ऑप्शन बी 68 ऑप्शन डी sorry option B it's option B option C confused option C 68 option C 69 C
swimming
78
the next
पढ़ा मत दे दो next 71 okay now look at this first 71 arts group or history and political science optional the option
71
B option B 72 73rd amendment it is easy one
73
B alien system creating rigid blocks and military commitments okay 74 C enjoy national citizenship then Shahjahan
75
option D 76
option B
option B
77 option C
78
78 option B 79 79 option A
wait a second. 79 option A Indian groups into shared national concept exactly spread western education
80A
80A
81 C
81 C
81 C
21 C emergency of moderate Sikhara okay
82 option B
option B 82 option B
83 option C 84 option D 85 option A
option A speaker of Lok Sabha okay next ma'am
86
86 it will be option D
option D 87 option A
wait one second what is the main use in India's poverty line estimation it's C 86 answer will be C asset value okay and to the following cause the person wage rise which of the following is cause of cost push inflation wage rise cost this should be wage rise it ma'am C 88
option C
northern plain
89 option C
C thematic
90 option C
90 option C
91 option D
D penda okay
92 option B
Maurice
93 option C
reserve bank rate repo rate is decided by which of the following ठीक है
94 option A
option D ma'am option D will be answer 94 option D 95
95
option A
option A
96 one second 96 will be the answer the peninsular peninsular India which of the following geographic division India one of the most stable land routes the Himalayas okay now Which of the following rivers is the longest? This is Narmada. Which of the following types of monsoon accounts? It is southwest monsoon. C. Which of the atmosphere? Ionosphere.
100B.
100. B. High food security. Okay. Thank you guys. ଏବେ ଆମେ optional history, geography and polity economics ଚାରିଟା ଯାକ ସାରିଲେ and we are coming with next PCM videos, PCM questions କୁ ଆସିବୁ ଟିକେ wait କର. Thank you.